Is Shopify worth it? In this video, I will show you why Shopify is the best e-commerce platform to create your own online store on Shopify. As you can see that I am inside the members area of Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get an access with 30 days free trial on Shopify. Now let me show you how to add your own products on Shopify. When you click here to products, you have these features here on Shopify, meaning that you can able to add your own products here on Shopify, guys. Okay, so what you can do here, you can also import existing products. If you already have a store on Shopify, you can also import them here. But now let me show you how to add your own products here. You're gonna go to title. Under title, you have to write the product title that you are selling here on Shopify. You have to write the title, and then you're gonna go to description. You have to write the product description. But I like to use this AI tool from Shopify, which allows me to write my product description about Shopify. I'm gonna put the keywords here, okay? And then after I put my keywords here, I'm gonna go to tone of voice. I'm gonna use the tone of voice to expect. I'm gonna click on generate. So now this AI tool is writing product description for me automatically. As you can see that it is done writing product description for me. And then after that, you're gonna go to media. Under media on Shopify, you can able to select images that you can use for media. As you can see that you're gonna go here on media and select images for the product that you want to sell. Then you can also go to category. Under category, you can choose the category that you want your product to be in. I'm gonna choose my own category here, and then you're gonna go to pricing. This is the price that you are willing to sell your products here on Shopify. You have to put your price here. And also you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna go to cost per item, meaning that how much it is costing you to purchase this product in your supplier. You can also go to, it's gonna show you the profit that you'll be making, also the margins that you'll be making. As you can see, it is so easy to add your own products on Shopify. When you are done, you can save it, guys. That's it. That's how you can save your own. That's how you can add your own product on Shopify. Then when you go to collections, it's gonna show you how many collections that you have on your Shopify store. But for me, I just have one collections. But you can create multiple collections here on Shopify. You can just click here to create the collection. You can create all of those collections here. And then you can also go to customers. Under customers, you can see how many customers that you have. Customers who purchase from you. You can also import existing customers on Shopify. You can also go to meta objects, to see all of those files here. You can also go to analytics. Under analytics, is gonna show you how your store it is performing. You will see the total sales that you got today or yesterday and stuff like that. You can also check the online store sessions, like how many people they are in your store right now. And also you can also check the online store conversion rate. You can also go to total orders. Under total orders, you can able to check how many orders that you have. You can also check the top selling products. If you are selling multiple products, you can also check the top selling products on Shopify, guys. Okay. Then on marketing, you can able to do email marketing on your Shopify store. You can send email follow-ups. You can able to send email follow-ups, and also not only that, you can able to do email automations. To sell your customers multiple Shopify stores. Okay, you can also offer some discounts. People love discounts, guys. Okay, if you offer 15% discounts, people they're gonna buy from you. People they love discounts. You can also go to online store These are the done for you themes that you can use for Shopify. Okay, these are the done for you stores that you can just import them right away in your Shopify store, guys. Okay, if you're in a clothing brand, take a look at these stores. You can just import them right away in your Shopify account. Okay, Shopify, in my own opinion, this is a worth it, guys. Okay, I highly recommend for people who want to use Shopify for a drop shipping business, guys. Click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Take care and God bless you sharp, guys.